for Peace and Development. So dito na clear yung Camiguin areas ng insurgency. When you say insurgency free, it does not mean na wala na talaga as in zero. Mayroon pa rin pero maliit na, minimal, inconsequential as they call it, no. But on the part of Camiguin, kasi yung terrain niya is terrain niya is island, ibig sabihin na wala talaga. Unlike dito sa Davao Oriental, which was also declared as insurgency free noong 2013, no. Marami siyang may karatig siya kasing probinsya na infested ng insurgency. So nag-cross or gusto nilang pasukin yung mga cleared na areas.
Sir, aside from the island of Camiguin, Davao Oriental, insurgency free na po sila, what other areas po?
Isa pang declare na rin na insurgency free is the island province of Dinagat ng Caraga region. So tatlo yung ating na-declare na insurgency free sa area ng Eastern Mindanao Command, ang Davao Oriental, ang Camiguin, which was declared yesterday, at saka yung Dinagat Island Province.
Okay, question?
Sir, during the Senate inquiry, the past 2 days, may lumalabas kasi na info na meron daw 30 na estudyante ni Marwan now deployed out to create chaos bomb. How's ano yung treatment ng East Mincom nito sa info na ito?
Well, we don't have the information. Sa Senate ko rin lang narinig yan. But sa area ng Eastern Mindanao Command, patuloy naman tayong nagsisecure, no, to secure the communities of the Eastern Mindanao Command. Sa mga urban areas like the Davao area, yung Task Force Davao is intensifying their yung security operations to secure yung mga urban hubs.
So, ano kung reaction ng Eastern Mindanao Command? Kasi parang lumalabas kasi sa mga salita ni Peña, sa parang sinisi yung